The main reason caulking jobs fail prematurely around tubs and showers is poor adhesion caused by improper surface preparation and using the wrong material. Successful caulking starts with completely removing old caulk and any soap scum or mildew using a non-abrasive cleaner and a 90% isopropyl alcohol wipe down to eliminate residue that inhibits bonding. Choose a caulk formulated for bathrooms that is 100% silicone for durability and flexible adhesion, because latex or hybrid types can degrade faster with constant water exposure. Cut the nozzle to produce a bead width that matches the joint and maintain a consistent angle and steady pressure while applying to avoid gaps and thin areas. Smooth the bead within 5 to 10 minutes of application using a clean, slightly damp fingertip or a silicone finishing tool to press the caulk into the joint and create full contact with both surfaces. Allow a full curing time as specified by the manufacturer before exposing the area to water, usually at least 24 hours for most bathroom silicones, and ensure good ventilation and moderate temperature during cure. If tile grout or backing is allowing water to reach the joint from behind, address those leaks first by repairing grout lines or replacing deteriorated backer materials so the new caulk is not forced to bridge ongoing water intrusion. Common mistakes include using cheap or unsuitable caulk that looks fine but lacks long-term flexibility and mildew resistance. So choose a reputable 100% silicone bathroom product and check the label for mold resistance. Another frequent issue is failing to remove all residue and old material, which prevents adhesion, so physically scrape out old caulk, clean with alcohol, and let the surface dry completely before applying new caulk. A third problem is applying caulk on a wet or humid surface or exposing the joint to water before it cures, which disrupts cross-linking and weakens adhesion, so schedule work during a dry period, ventilate the space, and wait the full cure window before using the shower. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project listings and reviews to help people find professionals for bathroom resealing and related repairs. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post real experience so our users can make informed decisions and contractors can find work.